kind of about 3 months into lockdown when everything started settling. And as I was saying, I started getting really creative again. I started reaching out to people that I wanted to collaborate with over the years, or who had been reaching out to me. And one of them was Ruth McGinley, who is the classical pianist for the Ulster Orchestra. So Ruth was she was always kind of looking to get into the kind of scoring scene and film kind of writing. So I kind of found myself just kind of helping her set up her own home studio. And then once she got confident recording, I thought, well, why don't we do something together to kind of break the ice and see if it works? So yeah, we done a track which was recorded in lockdown. We were both separated in each other's houses. We named it Chrysalism, which kind of, the meaning of it is to sit in your house looking out at the storm. Which we thought was very fitting for the kind of COVID pandemic. And what happened was I ended up basically teaching myself how to film, fly drones and edit, and started kind of basically training myself to get to a certain standard where I could shoot music videos.